G'day guys, Andy here at Legends Garage. Today we've got our Keep On Truckin' hat on. We're at the National Road Transport Hall of Fame Truck Show.
Sunsets fall on the dusty trail.
In the presence of royalty today, we have the Henry Lawson limited edition Superliner unrestored.
Detroit hums, it's a steel heart song. We keep rolling.
These are the inductees into the Hall of Fame. And this one here, particularly special. God rest his soul, Slim Dusty.
Dirt falls. Keep on trucking through the haze. Keep on trucking through the blaze. The original legends, we light the way. Keep on trucking every day.
Guys, the hospitality out here at the National Road Transporter Hall of Fame is the best I have ever encountered. If you really want to find the true Aussie outback spirit and witness the place where the pioneers who built our country live, come and see the National Road Transport Hall of Fame in Alice Springs. Remember, without trucks, Australia stops. So most importantly guys, keep on trucking.
Skies wide.